Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ulyayu Alfiani. In this time, I will explain about HR Analytics, HR Digital Transformation and Revolution Digital in Indonesia. Before we discuss further, we must know what is HR Analytics. HR Analytics specifically deals with the metrics of the HR function, such as time to hire, training expense per employer, and time until promotion. All these metrics are managed exclusively by HR for HR. The future of HR is rapidly changing with rapid digital transformation and a shift in workforce demographic. As digital impacts ever more broadly across sectors and corporate divisions, HR have over time become only more essential to the transformation of business function to become truly fit for purpose for a digital empowered world. Digital HR is a process optimization in which social, mobile, analytics, and cloud SMAC technologies are leveraged to make HR more efficient, effective, and connected. In the words, it's a tectonic shift in the way human resource function. The digital revolution has come to Indonesia in recent years. We've seen rapid growth in the number of people gaining access to the internet through mobile device and explosion in the use of cloud computing and greatly increased take-up of the Internet of Things and big data and advanced analytics. Research conducted by Vilya Wibowo as a partner in McKinsey & Company and the President Director of PT McKinsey Indonesia also shows that harnessing digitization at scale can bring market increase in labor productivity. We have defined a relative scoring mechanism to benchmark countries on the degree of digitization based on the level of digital infrastructure, consumer usage, business usage, and government usage. We found that Indonesia stands at the beginning of an S-curve in productivity growth. If Indonesia can harness the power of new digital technologies to increase labor productivity and bring more people into active employment, the country could add more than $150 billion to its yearly economic output within a decade, roughly 10% of its GDP. This productivity improvement could come from three areas: operation optimization, human health and human productivity improvement, and product development and sales improvement. To realize this potential, pursuing digital initiative alone is insufficient. Indonesia's public and corporate leaders must move aggressively to embrace a broader strategy that incorporates risks and opportunities coming from digitization of consumers and business. Two elements underpin these processes. 1. Mindset. Being digital is about using data to make better and faster decisions, developing decision making to smaller teams, and developing much more iterative and rapid ways of doing things. Thinking in this way should incorporate the full range of a company's operation, not just a handful of functions, including partnership with other companies. A digital mindset institutionalizes cross-functional collaboration, flattens hierarchies, and builds environment to encourage the generation of new ideas. Managers should develop incentives and metrics to support such decision-making agility. 2. System and data architecture. Digital in the context of IT is focused on creating a two-part environment that decouple legacy systems, which support critical functions and run at a slower pace from those that support fast-moving, often customer-facing interaction. An important feature of digitized IT is the commitment to building networks that connect devices, objects, and people. The approach embodies a continuous delivery model where cross-functional IT teams automate systems and optimize processes to be able to realize and iterate on software quickly. Indonesia is poised to benefit greatly from the digital revolution. To accelerate progress, the country's public and private sectors must focus investment in digital technologies to enhance infrastructure, increase penetration, and boost productivity. The resulting economic impact, $150 billion annual by 2025, is too large a price to ignore. Implementing a comprehensive digital strategy will enable Indonesia's company to win in the digital age and lift Indonesia's economic growth to the next level. The gist of my argument is realizing digitalization for Indonesia in the future requires a mature mindset in developing various decisions taken and also accompanied by modern system and optimal data architecture to support digital in the context of IT. That's all my explanation. If there's something wrong, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.